Hi everyone. There are so many ways to change an image color in Photoshop. In this video, we are going to implement one of these methods. We will start by opening one of the PNG images. I am going to select this image of Donald. Next, we are going to adjacent panel in the right-hand side and click the small arrow, which will open the drop-down list. Select Hue/Saturation Layer and click on it. Click OK to the dialog box. The Properties window will pop up. Now we are going to click on the hand icon. It will result to enable selecting the eyedropper tool. With the eyedropper tool selected, click on Bowtie. You will notice that the drop-down list adjacent to the hand icon changed from master to reds. Move the hue bar arrow all the way right and all the way left sides. You will notice that color of Bowtie changes. Meanwhile, other areas are affected. The beak, the tongue, and legs. These areas are affected because their wavelength are close to the selected color wavelength, and we can call it the fuzziness area. But we need the only selected object color to change. So, in the bottom of the Properties panel of Hue/Saturation, there are two bars. One is representing how the color normally looks. The other one below it is the output bar as you change the hue. There are also a rectangular representing a range of selected colors. Around this rectangular there are fuzziness areas. By reducing fuzziness area as we move its arrows, we limit the change to only the Bowtie color, and vice versa. As we increase fuzziness area, more colors are selected and affected. So, the more the rectangular representing a range of selected colors is narrow, the more limited hue color is selected. So, it is up to you to widen or limit your selections. Now we control the color of Bowtie by changing sliders of hue and saturation bars. When color is fully saturated, the color is considered in purest or truest version. By moving the slider of lightness, you can change the color from pure black to pure white. So now we have all the control of color type and its intensity, and we can choose any color we want. So, go ahead. Select any image of your own and practice changing the three parameters hue, saturation, and lightness. And see the effect of each. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, there are many methods to change the color of an object in Photoshop. Each has its advantage and drawbacks. I hope you enjoyed this method, which I believe it covers a wide range of the need to change object's color. By the end of the video, I have submitted an image explaining the two bars in the bottom of Hue/Saturation Properties panel. Thank you for watching, and see you in other videos.